AirTalk Wireless Hotspot not working? First, confirm your Affordable Connectivity Program ACP eligibility. You need to be enrolled to use the hotspot feature on subsidized plans. Ensure your device is compatible with Verizon's LTE 5G bands. Check AirTalk's website for a compatibility tool. Activate your SIM via the AirTalk app or website to enable hotspot access. Plans start at $10 a month for 1 gig of data, scaling to $65 for unlimited data with hotspot. If you are not on a subsidized plan, hotspot tethering might not be available. If your plan and device are compatible, troubleshoot these common issues. Check your data balance using the AirTalk app, as hotspots consume data quickly. Toggle airplane mode or restart your device to reset the network connection. Manually configure the access point name, APN, to reseller in your device's network settings if automatic configuration fails. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. If problems persist, contact AirTalk support for a SIM replacement. Also, be aware of potential throttling or deprioritization during peak network usage.